In this video, we talk about the pros and cons of responsive and canvas pages in SAP Analytics Cloud and my personal favorite. I prepared a responsive and a canvas page. With each page you add to your story, you can decide for responsive or canvas or even a grid page if you want to create only a large table. Let's start with the canvas page. As the name already suggests, on this page we can kind of draw or paint our dashboard in a pixel-perfect way. It is possible to place your charts wherever you want, and in case you do not see this grid in the background, you can go to the Styling tab and select Show Grid. If you want to perfectly align your charts to this grid, then please activate Snap to Grid or Snap to Object. As you can see, the chart now snaps to the grid and it is guaranteed that your dashboard looks nice. Another advantage with canvas pages is the fact that you can overlap different objects. For example, if I create another numeric chart, I can position it above the bar chart. In some cases that might be helpful. For example, if you work with little images, forms, etc. On responsive pages, you cannot overlap different objects. I duplicated the bar chart several times to show you some characteristics on the responsive page. Here on the responsive page, we also have the possibility to show a background grid. However, the rectangles of this grid are much larger and the charts always snap to the grid. Another disadvantage is that the charts always jump back to the top if I want to place them further below. A responsive page always ensures that the space is utilized best possible. If you nevertheless want some free space between the charts, you can position a rectangle form in the color of your background between them. As I already explained, it is also not possible to position charts above other charts. Another way to adjust the space between your objects is the grid spacing control. Now let's switch to the view mode and watch the differences for a typical dashboard user. The great thing with responsive pages is, of course, that it adapts to different screen sizes. So regardless of whether you are using a large widescreen monitor, a notebook, a tablet, or even a smartphone, the dashboard is displayed correctly. And honestly, this is the reason why I always build my dashboards on responsive pages. Your goal should be to provide the best user experience with your dashboards. And since you do not know on which device the dashboards are viewed, you should decide for this flexible alternative, even if you give up some nice pixel-perfect options. As you can see on the canvas page, we have to scroll to the right to see all charts. And with scrolling to the right and left, your users will definitely not be satisfied. If you were a web designer, you also would not build a non-responsive website in 2021. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, then please give me a thumb up. And if you want to learn more, please check out my other videos and my SAC masterclass on Udemy. You can find a link in the description. Thanks for watching this video.